Hello, my name is Geoff Burt. I'm a non-union actor based in New York City, and I'm reading for both of the deposition roles. Alex Jordan, SVP, Engineering and Product Development at Novatech Solutions. Senior Vice President, 15 years. We create integrated systems for industrial automation. Basically, we design programmable logic controllers, PLCs, that monitor and control industrial equipment. Well, let's see, about 6 years now, but I've been with Novatech for really 18 years altogether. Yeah, so this project is all about enhancing our data analytics with machine learning. And we're developing models that can predict equipment failures in real time, which, if everything goes as planned, helps our clients cut down on downtime. Well, basically, it's using data to figure out when equipment might fail before it actually does. If, say, a motor starts overheating, our system can send an alert so they can fix it before it shuts down their entire production line. Yeah, definitely. We needed to make sure that the algorithms worked under all sorts of conditions, real world stuff like sensor noise, which is just random fluctuations in the data. Now, we've implemented some filtering techniques, but there's always a little margin of error. I think we're at about 95% accuracy. Exactly, yeah. Sometimes you get unexpected blips or anomalies like due to interference or environmental factors. We can't control all of that, so the algorithms have to be pretty adaptable. Well, the machine learning models adapt to the new data patterns on their own. Instead of us programming for every single situation, the system learns based on what's coming in, and it just gets better over time at spotting patterns like subtle signs of equipment wear that a human operator might miss. Well, if they're set up wrong, that could lead to some big issues. Like if a high-risk alert was misclassified as low risk. Maintenance might not happen when it's needed, and that could result in, serious equipment failure. For sure. It's why we validate and verify at every stage. One small misconfiguration can snowball. Casey Jordan, Head of Professional Development at Novatech Solutions. 8 years. I'd say it's very collaborative. We're a fairly large team, but we work closely across departments. It's not one of those places where everyone's isolated in their own silos. I'd say we have a pretty open culture. Well, it's definitely fast-paced, but it's also supportive. There's a lot of pressure to stay ahead of technology trends, especially in automation, but we try to keep it balanced. I encourage my team to take breaks, clear their heads when they're working on complex problems. And we even have no meeting Fridays just to help give everyone a breather. Yeah, it's one day where they can just focus on their projects without any interruptions. Now, I think it helps people stay productive and feel like they have some control over their workload. I'd say it's pretty high, honestly. People seem to enjoy the work, especially because they get to see the impact of what they're doing. When a new system goes live, they know it's going to make somebody's job easier or safer, and that kind of feedback really boosts the team's morale. Actually. We launched a mentorship program where newer engineers are paired with more experienced team members. It's been great for professional development, and it's also helping build stronger connections across the team. Well, absolutely. People really appreciate having somebody to go to for guidance, especially in a field as complex as ours. And it's made a noticeable difference in how comfortable newer employees feel navigating their roles.